The Westin Singapore by Marriott is located in the upper floors of Asia Square Tower 2, about a 15-minute walk from the Marina Bay area in Singapore. The towers are across the street from a 24-hour hawker market called Lau Pa Sat, a well-known hawker in a historic building where you can get excellent food at any time, day or night. Chinatown is also nearby, a quick ride on the metro or within walking distance, depending on weather and how much you like to walk. The Shenton Way metro station is right below the hotel, and the downtown station on the Blue Line is pretty close as well, which gives you a couple of easy options to get around Singapore using public transportation. The hotel, which occupies floors 32 to 46, has a lounge with a great breakfast for Platinum and above members, and a large infinity pool on the same level. The rooms are spacious and accommodating. Check out our tour of a Corner King room.
Okay, this is a room tour of the Westin Singapore in Singapore. We booked a King Deluxe room. We were upgraded as Platinum Elites to, I believe this is like a Corner King. Not sure if this qualifies as a mini suite or not. I'll try to find out before I post the video, but anyway, at least a Corner King Deluxe. So standing in the entryway here of the room. So you can see here, kind of a long entryway. There's a mirror, large bookshelf type of thing, I guess. And then the main room here. So there's a king bed, a couple of nightstands. You can see there, a couple of nightstands, the two rows of windows here, or the two walls of windows, I should say. There's the TV, desk there with a little welcome amenity. They did also give us 1,000 points for the welcome amenity, and we have breakfast tomorrow in the Westin Lounge here in Singapore. So the lobby of this hotel is on the 32nd, I believe, floor, 35th, something like that. And the hotel occupies the higher floors of this tower. So it's pretty high up, pretty cool views of some areas. Not great views from this side. Looking out on the water, and it's like almost 2 a.m, so hard to really see anything. But anyway, got a nice little desk here. We stayed at this hotel before. Very spacious, really nice. We like it. There's a mini bar there. It's one of those kind of annoying ones, to me at least, where if you move anything, it gets charged to the room, so you can't use the fridge as a fridge or anything like that. We've got the tea stuff here. Room's also got this chair and these very large closets. So these are, again, big closet, little drawers here, the safe, you know, and little drawers with the robes and slippers and everything in there. So again, we have stayed here before. We stayed in the King Deluxe before. This room does seem to have more to it, so it may be more than just a corner upgrade. But moving on here to the bathroom, we've got this large tub, which is kind of cool. Freestanding tub, big window there, separate shower with a door going out on the ledge. That kind of scary door, but I'm sure that doesn't open. And again, yeah, large separate shower, separate toilet area, and the large vanity with filtered water and, yes, unfiltered water. So a couple of taps there, and then back here, some glasses and little amenity box. I believe, maybe not. Nope. Some towels and stuff there. And again, just a very nice room, very nice hotel. again, we stayed here a couple years ago. We really liked it. So we're back as platinum members. We weren't then, so we're excited to try the lounge. This is about a 10 or 15 minute walk, probably a 15-minute walk from the Marina Bay area, Marina Bay Sands, and things like that. So it's within walking distance. There's an awesome hawker market that's pretty close to this hotel, and a couple of 7-Elevens that are really close, as well as some bars and stuff in this plaza. This is Asia Tower or something, Asia Tower 2 or something like that. I'll try to find that out and put it in the description. But anyway, it's a nice area, great hotel, and that will do it for the Westin in Singapore.